welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make, oh god.
We just went over this before the video. She said, what are we making?
I know.
And she came up with the idea. What is this called,
We
Jen?
are making glass Nebula.
Okay, so now you know what it is.
Like, I couldn't get it out. I don't know why. Okay?
Yeah,
but anyways,
it was bothering me, man.
I don't really know what the word nebula means. I just know it's pretty much a galaxy.
Let me just explain to you guys. I am tired.
You're always tired.
I am extremely tired. Glitter glue.
Cotton balls.
Neon box.
What did you do?
Because what was we doing there?
Okay, anyways, so you don't even know what this looks like, do you?
No, but I'm opening whatever. This is food coloring?
Yes.
Okay, we got food color. Why? Like, we experienced the video with you guys. It's not like some super planned out thing. I feel like she just goes to the store, buys a bunch of random stuff, and then, well, it creates stuff. All right, we got our food coloring. Yellow, blue, purple, and
Pink.
red.
What? That is pink.
All right, whatever. If you guys can see the table, you remember the little pie thing we did not long ago? The stuff that you guys really, really, really love? Well, it messed up my art. I made all of this, and well, it messed it up.
I'm trying to fix it, but...
She didn't catch that.
Oh. It wasn't your art.
I made all of this, man.
Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this. I just smacked myself in the face with some cotton balls. But
Smack yourself in the face.
I just did.
In other news.
Why am I like not knowing what to do? Anyways, okay, so you
Yeah,
put...
like, oh my god. Like, what do we do? Oh my god.
Have you seen what it looks like at all?
Huh?
Do you know what it looks like?
No, but I don't care. I just want to see it. You're just pouring random amounts of water.
Yeah,
You don't stick to the plan, huh?
It doesn't matter, okay? We're gonna start out with blue.
I feel like I'm a student learning.
Yeah, I'm the teacher. Okay.
This is, no, we're not playing house.
Alright, we got, anyways, we have blue food coloring. We need a little stick. Okay, I think that's a nice blue, don't you? For a galaxy?
Yeah, it looks awesome. Can we get to the galaxy?
Well,
I feel like we've been rambling for just a little bit too long.
Just be careful, don't mess up the art that I made. Okay.
What do you mean that you made? What art? This art?
Start like pulling these apart like this.
Jen, all you gotta do is pour water in there. Why am I doing that?
You gotta separate it so it doesn't look like...
I feel like I am in... I like the way that pulls apart. I don't know what it is. I feel like... I don't know. I don't know what it is, dude.
Put that in there nicely. Okay, you need me help you? Why can't I
Pour
grab
that
it
in there
good?
nicely. Why are we creating the exact same galaxy?
I mean, you can change your colors. It's up to you. What colors do you want layered? Like, and you gotta kind of mix.
I'll think about it. School project 101.
Alright, so what you're gonna do...
Yes, Miss Harned.
is you're gonna drop these in there. Just kind of do it slowly though, so...
Where did you learn this?
Pinterest. It looked really...
Slowly or fastly?
Alright, you see how I put that in there?
Why can't I just shove it in
Just
there?
stab it with this.
Stab it?
Yeah, make sure all your cotton ball is covered with your blue.
Oh god. This is actually kind of cool. You can't see it very well, guys, but you'll see a close look. We need another camera for like the close-ups. Does it have to like soak up all the water?
Yeah, there can be no white.
Well, my first layer's done.
So is mine. Alright, grab your glue. Make sure it's open.
Yes. Everybody, students, okay. Grab your glue.
Okay, now squirt, squirt inside the bottle.
This is gonna take a while. I'm doing this differently.
And you want to kind of push the glitter onto the outside of your glass.
What do you mean outside of your glass,
Like,
dude?
you're only gonna you
What?
poured way too much.
What?
You poured way too much.
Nah, dude, mine's about to look sick.
You're only gonna be able to see the galaxy from the sides.
Alright, well look, when you see mine from the sides, you're gonna be like, wow, yours looks so cool. From here on out, you're on your own. I understand the basis. Don't judge me. Don't look over here like, that's not the right colors. You just sit over there and you do your little crappy experiment, because mine's about to be sick. And if I'm doing it wrong, just leave me alone, because I know you. You're not supposed to do that! By the way, if you don't know, that's what she sounds like when she gets mad.
What is going on?
I didn't follow instructions, guys. And well, you don't follow instructions, it really starts to show.
This is a lesson we'll learn. Follow instructions.
Don't follow instructions.
If you break the rules, it's never good.
Sometimes, no, we ain't breaking rules. Sometimes it works out for the better. But as you can see in my little thing here, that it just got worse.
I don't know what you did over there.
As we went on, things got worse. How did they get worse? Well, let me just show you. What I have created is something similar. You know, like hers is the galaxy. Mine's like the deep, dark galaxy. It's like the galaxy they haven't discovered yet. Kind of like, here's the galaxy. Nice, right? Just the bottom layer, nothing else.
I did that bottom layer.
No, I did that.
I showed you how to do that.
Yeah, we were learning. Learning went well. And then the green, I was like, you know, I'm just gonna experiment. You know, actually mine kind of looks cool. What are you talking about? Now that the colors are kind of going down, we got the blue, got the green, and then the glitters like the stars. But yours is whack. Let me just show you why yours is whack and mine is not. My colors, see, if they were just by themselves, it'd look whack. But now the colors are starting to mix, and it's starting to look like some professional artwork. I knew what I was doing from the jump. See, this is also what you gotta do. You don't stick to the rules, you just put a lot in, baby. And I mean a lot. Yep, there we go. Fill it up with glitter stars. You're solid. What you do is you take this. She thought she would teach me. You just poke her down.
Oh my God. It's so funny to see because it's so terrible.
Look how glittery it is.
Yeah, but the stars. Never mind.
Say something like the stars don't align with the big pillar or whatever the thing is called. What's it called? The Big Dipper? Is that what it is? Whatever, dude. This looks awesome.
No, we're not getting messy in this video. No.
Alright, look.
I'm not
look,
finished.
when you turn mine around, you've got all kinds of things to look at.
What's so funny now?
You're not even ripping them apart.
I am.
It looks like balls in there.
What?
Balls. Circles. I don't know what you're thinking of, but
I did way better than you. Way better. You don't think so?
No.
Let the subscribers make that decision.
They're gonna choose me. Clearly more talent was involved in that. I really don't even want to touch it again. I was thinking about doing a little bit more, but there's no point.
You don't want to ruin it.
I don't want to ruin what has happened there, and that is something you cannot replicate. Picasso couldn't even do this.
Yeah, he'd do better. How does this make you feel?
You're too low. They can't hear you.
How does this make you feel?
It makes me feel wonderful. Because I know I beat you in this challenge. I am so tired.
Well, go to sleep.
I can't. Gotta make galaxy mason jars.
All right, I need a little bit more glitter glue.
All right.
Okay.
Look, this video is so not normal. I'm so tired. I don't even know what actually happened the past 20 minutes. All I know is I created perfection. She created a cotton-filled, water glue-filled, food coloring-filled
You
mason
didn't put
jar.
your lid on.
What are you shaking it for? It's not gonna change anything. It's still terrible.
The glitter.
Whatever.
Show them yours.
I'm not really sure I want to.
Why? I thought it was so good.
Well, I mean, it is, but like if I show them, they're gonna copy my style. Why do they do this with food coloring? If there's a food company for some reason watching this video, there's none. But anyways, go to food coloring companies, tell them, if a color is orange, you don't put a yellow lid on it. Just like this one. This one's green, but the cap is almost yellow. That's stupid.
Hey, this one, no, stop. This one's pink, but it's actually red.
I knew it was red. This is why the world's the way it is. Food coloring Food coloring companies. They're just lying to us. You think you have purple, but you really have silver.
I can tell you're tired.
Huh?
You're just going on and on.
I'm talking about light. This is light.
On. Just show them what they came here for. Hey, dummy!
Yeah. I have been up for too long.
Show them yours.
See, guys, look what we have here to do.
Here's Justin's.
That thing is beautiful. No, amazing.
Now
Now show them, yuck, what is that? It looks like Smurfs threw up.
This is what they came here for.
Ew, gross.
Look
That's
at
ugly. You showed yours way longer than mine. Let them get a preview of mine again. Show them what they're missing. Show them the bottom. Oh, that's enough. No, no, no. Turn it.
Here's
Turn
Justin's.
It. Turn. There.
Okay.
What? Take that lid off. It's gonna look amazing.
Okay, look.
Why you gotta show yours again?
Look, mine is killing. Vote in the comments below. Who do you think won?
Let me see. Let me
Why
see
is it
one.
always a competition?
Ain't nobody gonna vote for you.
That's supposed to be a DIY, not a
A who-ah-he?
a DIY, not a competition. But it always is a competition with him. So
With me? You set this up knowing that I'd destroy
if you
you.
guys like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe if you're new,
And peace.